guys, and welcome back to another beautiful sunny day in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Yes, as always, I'm Barix and I'm here to spot some interesting Lambos driving on the road. And guess what? I think we might have the first one. An hybrid Urus. Wow, beautiful green speck on this one. And what do we have here? Revuelto! A yellow one. Not the worst start, I guess. Orange Urus SE that stopped in the middle of the road for some reason. Fairly standard. Oh, finally! It might be time for the first Revuelto. And this is the Verde Scandal one. That is my favorite one. Well, interestingly, no ducks today, but a super beautiful cat. Hey! Wait a moment, could that be the first Temerario? Oh, I think it is. The hexagonal lights, the Temerario plate. Not even that quiet, honestly. Another hybrid one. Green calipers, alright. Oh hell yeah, another Revuelto. Wow! Matching calipers? Oh my god, beautiful one! Wait at that moment, I think I can hear the Temerario driving somewhere behind there. No, there she is! Wow, beautiful color! Urus SE incoming? This seems kinda interesting. Oh, yes it is! Oro Elios. No way, another Revuelto! Yes! And there she goes! Alright, another Urus being overtaken by this big boy. Wow! Stunning shade of green once again. Wait, what? The hell was that? Aha, another matte black spec. But the last one was a Revuelto, yeah. Yellow calipers. Wait, what? What is going on today with the old Huracans? First the red Tecnica and now the black STO. Amazing! Ah, white Temerario. Yeah, they clearly forgot to paint it. And another Revuelto. Ah, super standard black with the red calipers. Italian plates on this one. And white wheels, oh my god! That is definitely a first. Hey, what was that? All right, not bad. Stunning, stunning color on the Urus. I think I hear an hybrid V8. Yes! That was indeed super correct. But hey, we have another one. Wow, that was a double Temerario combo! Aha, we definitely have a Temerario! Like, wait... Ah, come on, why? Why did it have to switch to electric mode when he saw me? He was actually driving it kinda fast and it was super loud. Very, very deep matte blue. Not that bad. Hey, the STO! Aha! I see the World Finals stickers on that Urus SE. And in fact, now that I'm thinking about it, we are just a few days away from the event. Wow, I can't wait. Ooh, that is another white Temerario. dual-tone black contrast roof, alright. Urus SE with the Misano World Finals stickers. Hell yeah! They are definitely getting a lot of cars ready for the event. The Huracan Tecnica, the STO, now the Urus SE as a pace car. Wow, that's gonna be a great event. The biggest Lamborghini event of the year for sure. Unfortunately, it's not the Lamborghini Arena that we all very well know, but still, it's gonna be amazing, I'm pretty sure. Nice Temerario! Oh! Wait! And the Revuelto! Hell yeah! Great combo here! Wow, the bronze wheels! That was so good, and big up to the friendly blue Temerario test driver! Yo, black Revuelto! What the fuck? That is not a duck at all. Aha, I knew it. Another very friendly test driver, love it. Hazard lights and very bold spec on these Urus here. No way, this should be Verde Citrea. Stunning shade of green. That's so cool. What color is that? Oh my, it's Blu Hal! No way! Holy crap, that was the very rare and expensive Blu Hal option! Oh my god! That is like 70 grand, guys, just for the paint job. Wow, very classy one! But I don't know about the orange calipers. Hey, bold orange Revuelto! Hey, I definitely recognize this one. Verde Citrea Urus! Let's go! Lamborghini suit and Lamborghini Urus SE. Lovely spec. And lovely sound, yeah. Okay, a little bit of traffic here, but most importantly, the red Revuelto. Yeah, people can't really drive, huh? What can we do about it? But anyway, I think I'm done, guys. Yeah, I think we got pretty lucky with the specs today. Sadly, no new cars or prototypes, but at least we got to see the couple beautiful Huracans and the Urus SE for the Misano World Finals. So yeah, not a bad car spotting session at all. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the cars, the video, and I think I will see you in Misano for the World Finals. I can't really wait. See you really soon, guys.